So Turing test was proposed by English mathematician called Alan Turing in 1950. Instead of giving long, complex and controversial definition of AI, what he basically said was, if any machine passes the Turing test, then it will have intelligence. So let me explain what Turing test really said. So here we have a human interrogator, human and machine. Interrogator cannot say human and machine since they are divided. Now interrogator gives some questions to both human and machine and gets the response from both. Remember, all the questions and answers will be in the written format. Now if the interrogator cannot tell whether the written response came from the person or a machine, then we can say that the machine passed the Turing test. So the machine or computer need to possess 4 capabilities to pass the Turing test. So let's see it. So first capability is natural language processing. It basically means our machine should be able to communicate successfully in English. So the second capability is knowledge representation. It means our machine should store what it knows or hears. In number third, we have machine learning. It means our machine should adapt to the new circumstances and to detect and extrapolate the patterns. So lastly, we have automated reasoning. It basically means our machine needs to use the stored information to answer to the question and draw the new conclusion. So that basically concludes our video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy learning. Goodbye everybody.